We all know rainwater is very precious. We should save it and conserve it. So when we constructed our house, we ensure that we have proper water harvesting. So this is our terrace. You can see our terrace. It has a slope towards the left side, and all the outlets of the terrace are towards one side. That is very important, so that we can collect the rainwater in one pipe. All the outlets you can see are one side. There are four outlets. This is our terrace, second floor, and see all the outlets are coming and meeting together. None of the pipe is going down. See, this is the second point connecting. Here, third point connecting, and together one pipe is going down. You can observe that. And now this water will be filtered by water filter. We should know that the rainwater is comes in so much of pressure that rainwater will be filtered. Even then there will be a lot of extra water, so we have to give a outside extra outlet also. Here is water filter, you can see. Yeah, so water will be filtered. This is only insolubles will be filtered, like leaves, soil. This is inside of the filter. It is actually mesh around the pipe. This is a closer look. We have to keep cleaning this from time to time. Now here this filtered water comes to first floor water tank. This water tank get filled up very soon. In slight rain also it gets filled up. See here. And this is also used in first floor for the plants. We have given a pipeline connecting from this tank. You can see this pipeline is going to the tap, and on first floor we have kept some plants. Here is a tap, and rainwater is used for these plants. If we plan rainwater harvesting and conservation, it can be done very easily. Again, you can have a look of second floor pipes together, joined together. Water come down and filters get collected in a tank of first floor. This gets filled up and extra water goes down. Okay, see, this is coming down from this pipe, coming to ground floor now. बारिश में पानी बहुत होता है, बहुत मिलता है पानी. हल्की सी बारिश में भी बहुत पानी आ जाता है. ये नीचे का पाइप है. यहाँ पे हमने नल बना रखा है कार वॉश के लिए, बाहर धोने के लिए. और देन ये पानी जो है नीचे एक हमने अंडरग्राउंड टैंक बनाया है. ये 7000 लीटर का टैंक है. ये पानी से भर जाता है. ये पानी हमारी बर्तन मांजने के लिए, गार्डनिंग के लिए, कार वॉश के लिए यूज हो जाता है. This is again connected to other pipes. We have kept some plants here, aloe vera, medicinal plants. Some medicinal plants are there near our house. So this is the rainwater harvesting in our house, which we have planned to conserve every drop of water and use it for various purposes. Hope you liked it. These are all medicinal plants. Uh, Madhunachani, Amritaballi, all medicinal plants I have kept. This is Amritaballi, yeah. Pan. Pan is climbing on the window.